Oh my god.
Oh, shucks. That's for your blooper reel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Winter is here, the holidays are here. No, but how is it this time already? Time is going too fast. So I figured it would be the perfect time to do some beautiful holiday eyeshadow. If you're new here, my name is Johnny. It is great to meet you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss an upload, because I upload every single day. So without any further ado, let's dive into this beautiful holiday eyeshadow tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be using the brand new SHEGLAM Enchanted Deco-Dance Collection. This collection is stunning. I don't know why, it just reminds me of like old vintage 1920s glam. So in the collection, we have the Enchanted Deco-Dance color palette in this beautiful like lace overlay detail. Like, can you even handle this? And the color story is just perfect for what I have in mind. And then we have two shades of the Enchanted Deco-Dance Starfall Glitter Gel. This one is in the shade Silver Screen, and then we have Rouge. Holy Lord. Oh my god, I can't wait, I want it on my eyes. And then we have 3 liquid lipsticks and 2 lip glosses. The top shade here is Tartantalizing, and then in the middle we have Velvet Robe, and then this bad boy on the bottom, the metallic shade is in Gifted, and then right here we have the gloss shade in Gleaming, which is this really pretty like cool tone brown, and then on the bottom is a gloss in the shade Enchanted, and it's more of like a warm honey color when you put it on. It doesn't look this orange, as you can tell. Alright, so as always, I filled my brows, prime my lids with a little bit of concealer, set them with translucent powder, and now we're ready to dive into eyeshadow. To start things out, I am going to dip into this beautiful, warmer kind of tan transition shade in Fireside. And we're just gonna start by packing this in our crease. Ooh, my hand just slipped. And bringing this all the way in when I feel like there's a little less product on it, because I think this look is going to be pretty smoky. Now I'm going to switch to a clean blending brush just to really make sure that top line is nice and blended. I always do this because we don't want to stick with the same brush because it's just going to keep depositing more color. This way you get a nice beautiful blend up here without depositing any more of this transition shade, and the look ends up being too dark or the eyeshadow goes too high. All right, now I'm dipping into this beautiful red in the shade Red Velvet, and we are gonna pack this all over the lid. Now I'm switching back to the brush that we deposited that first transition shade with. There's nothing on this, and I'm just using this to buff out that red and marry it into the first shade we put on. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of this dark brown in Jazz Club, and we're gonna go ahead and deepen up the outside half of the crease and onto the outer V of the eyelid. Same thing, I'm stamping that on and then going back to the very first brush and using that to blend. All right, now we're gonna take the beautiful gold in the center called Art Deco, and we are gonna press this all over the lid just like this eye. I can't with this gold. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Starfall Glitter Gel in the shade Rouged on my finger, and right in between the gold, red, and brown, I'm gonna press it right here into the gold a bit to really get a nice blend. Oh my god, yes. Guys, this is sickening. I hope you can see the red in between. See how we're fading from that brown to the red to that vintage gold. Okay, now I'm taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up the under eyes.
Oh my god. Wow. Good job, SHEGLAM. And did you make that color?
What does that mean?
Like, did you make that color? Did you mix it? Mixed? Oh, shucks. That's for your blooper reel.
It's not recording. Oh, it's recording. Listen, it's the holidays and a lot of us want to wear glitter, but if you have glitter fallout that a makeup wipe just won't get up, let me show you a little hack. Take some Scotch tape, roll it into a circle around the fingers, and start pressing this bad boy all over the under eyes where that glitter is not coming up. And now your Scotch tape is covered in little glitter flecks that would not come up, and your under eyes are perfectly clean. All right, eyes are cleaned up, and y'all, I am so obsessed. I don't even know what to do with myself. I don't think I'm gonna put any liner on because I do not want to cover any of this up. I don't know whether I want to marry Santa Claus or like go dancing. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara and lashes, finish up the complexion up until the point where we're ready to do the under eyes and lips, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, the complexion's done. Now I'm just taking a black eyeliner and we're gonna run this in the waterline. If you want this look to be a little less smoky, you could use a nude liner or a white liner or a gold liner for that matter. Now we're gonna dip back into Red Velvet and we are going to run this along the lower lash line. Now I'm dipping back into Jazz Club, the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm just running this really close to the lashes, only on the outside half of the lower lash line. Now we're dipping into this beautiful champagne shade in Gilded, and we're using that to highlight the inner corner. I think I'm gonna spray my brush just because everything else is so glam. I want this to punch. Oh yeah. And now for lipstick, I'm going in with the liquid lipstick in Tartantalizing. I mean, it's gotta be the darkest red. Holy pigment. Wow. Okay. I look like the Grinch. Alright, that was literally one dip, full coverage, no patchiness. I feel like we gotta pop a little of the metallic one in the center. I know you guys will be mad at me. This is in Gifted. Ooh. Yes, yes. Yes. That is it, guys. This is the final look, doing a beautiful winter romantic holiday eyeshadow tutorial using the new SHEGLAM Enchanted Deco-Dance Collection. This thing is incredible. I'm always mind blown that as affordable as SHEGLAM is, that everything performs as good as it does. I honestly can't get enough of this eyeshadow. I hope you guys had as much fun watching this tutorial as I did making it for you. Let me know in the comments down below. As always, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Hit the little notification bell and you'll be notified every single time I post. And a special thank you to SHEGLAM for sponsoring today's video. This truly was so fun to do. I've been dying to do winter glam for months now. There's just something about this. Wherever you guys are, I hope you are happy, safe, and healthy. Have an amazing holiday season. I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.